It's actually called You Can't Mend a Broken Heart with a Half-Eaten Box of Chocolates. Me and the boys were talking about the way that you've been acting. Ever since she left you, you've been blue. And we know your heart is breaking, but we're tired of your belly aches. Me and the boys want to have a word with you. So you got your walking papers, and she's hung you out to dry. There's no point in complaining now, she's with some other guy. You thought she was the one, well she wasn't, now she's gone. It's over now, you're back where you began. We was hoping maybe you could stop whining like a little baby. Why can't you take rejection like a man? Me and the boys, we're tired of seeing you whine into your beer, staring at her photograph and tearing out your hair. It's not like you're the only goddamn broken heart out here. Look, you were selfish and ungrateful, and you weren't exactly faithful. It's over now, she's given you all broken down and beaten. Well, it serves you bloody right for cheating. Why can't you take rejection like a man? Oh, don't be such a wussy. Stop acting like a goddamn pussy. Getting drunk and sleeping in your bed. Oh, I had to tell you, you have to be so pathetic.